Hello, welcome to the workshop. As you can see, this is the practical aspect of this video. In this video, we are going to talk about the NP time delay circuit. That is exactly what we are concerned in this video. And we are not going to explain how the NP circuit works or how to build it. We have done that in one of our theory video. So if you want to know much about the NP circuit, you can check the video and then you will know much about it. But here our concern here is the practical work, the practical demonstrations of NP time delay circuit. As you can see here, we have a push button here, we have unpolarized capacitor here, and we have a capacitor here which is actually 0.47 microfarad 50 volt, and then we have here a transistor here which is labeled PH3. We have 2N39004. We also have the lead here, and we have another transistor here. Actually, this is another transistor. So we are going to build the NP time delay circuit. Now, as you can see, this is actually the NP circuit. Now we connect the lead. We connect the lead to the base of the N-type transistor. To the collector of the N-type transistor here. And then this is a switch. This is the switch. And then this is the 0.47 microfarad 50 volt connected here. And then this is the power source, the USB cable connected here. Now, this is actually the time delay circuit. Now let's power the whole circuit and see. Now we have powered the circuit. The circuit stay off, but if we charge, it will switch on. Now this is actually a time delay circuit. Now let me switch it off, and it will take a long time to switch on back. So now switch it off. Now it is going to take some time to switch it on. So that is actually a time delay. In some certain case, you have to connect this electrolytic capacitor. That will actually cause the circuit to operate better. So let's connect it here. It's actually the base of the N-type and the So now let's power the circuit again. The circuit is still off because the capacitor has been completely discharged. Now we apply the voltage. Now we switch it off. So it is going to take some time for the circuit to switch back on. This is actually the NP time delay circuit because we use the NP circuit to build this time delay circuit. If we switch it off again, see, it is going to take time. Using the 0.45 microfarad. If you use 2.5, it will give you more time delay. The higher the value of the capacitor, the longer the time will be. So this is actually the time delay circuit here. See, it switch on back. So this is actually the NP time delay circuit. Thank you very much for your audience. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you once more again. So that is the time delay circuit.